Hey everybody, so on the auction, this is a pipe trailer we're offering you, made by WRIGHT Industries. Front to back here you got the big 7-way electrical adapter. You do have two front jacks, a longer one and a shorter one, 2 5/16 coupler. Both safety chains with the hooks are there intact. Trailer all around is really pretty straight. Has a front toolbox to hold like your stake pockets that drop into here. There is no stake pockets in this one, so you have to make those yourself. As you come around, the width on this trailer is just over 8 foot. I took a picture of that. Now from the front of the deck here to the back is 30 foot, so this is a 30-foot pipe trailer. You've got the heavy-duty steel fenders, so you don't have to worry about the fender giving and rubbing into the tire. I would say these tires, I'm going to rate them at 50% all around. I would say the front axle is better than the rear axle's tires. Looking at these axles, guys, they look to be about 5,000-pound axles to me, is what they look like. If you know better, go ahead and reach out, let me know, but they look like 5s to me. Coming around to the back, you have the lights. You can see they are in working condition. This trailer does have brakes. I actuated the brake controller in the truck. I can hear the brakes actuating, so looks like this trailer is ready to head down the road. Again, this does have the breakaway kit, guys, but I cannot get the breakaway kit to work, so it might need just a little bit of work, or otherwise it probably needs a new battery back here. All around though, guys, again, 8 foot wide, 30 foot long, WRIGHT Industries pipe trailer, ready to hook up and go home.